2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.